Where is the moon? On, behind, or down? Let's learn.
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn preposition. Here we go!
Behind. The moon is hiding behind the tree. In. A boy is in the box. On. A girl is sitting on the box. Under. A girl is under the table. In front. A girl is standing in front of the board. Over. An aeroplane is flying over the buildings. Between. A girl is standing between the two teddy bears. Near. A girl is waiting near the school. Beside. A boy is standing beside an elephant. At. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Into. I am jumping into the pool.
Thank you, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to revise, my friends.